Hello everyone, let's talk about how your personality may affect your career as a health and fitness professional. What is personality? Personality is a relatively stable overall pattern of characteristics that make each person unique. There's no clear consensus on why people have different personalities. As far back as the 4th century, the ancient Greeks proposed the temperament theory. Everyone had 4 basic body fluids or humors, and varying individual temperaments were due to the differing proportions of these humors. The fluids include blood, yellow bile, black bile, and phlegm, and they were associated with cheerfulness, irritability, sadness, and apathy. Kagan states that personality is determined by multiple interdependent factors, and we are not likely to identify simple biological or experiential sources. Personality theories have progressed from simply considering traits or dispositions, such as Cattell's 1943 Personality Factor Questionnaire, to a more interactional approach which considers the contributions one's environment and personality have on behavior. Cattell's 1943 Personality Questionnaire, the 16 PF, is still used today. The 5 major dimensions include narcissism, nervousness, anxiety, depression, anger versus emotional stability, extroversion, which is enthusiasm, sociability, assertiveness, high activity level versus introversion, openness to new experiences, which is originality, need for variety, curiosity, artistic sensitivity. Then there's agreeableness, amiability, altruism, modesty, trust versus egocentrism, narcissism, and skepticism. And then there's conscientiousness, constraint, achievement striving, and self-disciplined. The biopsychosocial approach looks at personality in a more integrated way. It recognizes that biology, psychology, and environment are all contributors to affecting one's behavior. How might the study of personality be helpful to fitness health professionals? Having an awareness of individual differences allows one to develop proper programming for that individual. Each individual has their own personality traits and is motivated by their own personal factors. Trying to understand what makes a person motivated to exercise or be physically active can help us to understand the factors that will or will not work. On the flip side, knowing what factors can cause barriers to a person's physical activity level can also help us as professionals in knowing how to find success in our clients. Understanding that individuals are a product of their biology, environment, and their mind helps us also be more compassionate towards them and ourselves. As wellness professionals might encourage a particular type of exercise based on individual personality, maybe offer a Zumba or an outgoing individual, or one that values Latin culture. Also have an understanding that some people prefer exercise at home to a video. So we can use exercise formats that are culturally appropriate and seem invigorating to our clients, again, like Zumba, or maybe something different like yoga or Pilates or even cardio kickboxing. We can also offer up male versus female instructors, co-ed classes, or women's only classes, just different varieties. So it's important for us to kind of take personality into our thoughts when we are working with our different clientele. Thanks for listening.